Alrighty then, just a quick beer review here of, I've never tried this before, Genesee Ruby Red Kolsch. Kolsch. K-O-umlaut-L-S-C-H. Kolsches are a type of beer from the northwestern portion of Germany, especially the western portion. I'll just say western Germany. Kolsches, places like Köln, otherwise known as Cologne. And maybe this is a poor man's IPA, not sure, but everybody knows that hops has grapefruity type flavors in it, so adding grapefruit juice to a beer, while it does violate the Reinheitsgebot of 1516, the German purity law, which requires you to only have malt, hops, and pure water in your beer, you can't put the point is you can't put grapefruit juice in a beer in Germany, but in the US, whatever, you can. So anyway, just thought I'd put that out there. So let's see what we have here. Again, IPAs have a grapefruity flavor to them often. That is because of the hops oil that goes in those hopsy beers. All right, so interestingly enough, this is not red in color. I was sort of hoping it wouldn't be like bright red. There's the color. It's just like a yellowish, plain golden straw color. A little bit of a bland golden straw. Nothing special there as far as the color. So we'll finish pouring this 500 milliliter glass. There we go, that's what it looks like. Head looks normal, everything looks pretty normal. So initial thoughts. It does smell strongly of grapefruit, ruby red grapefruit, I might add. So anyway, let's see what I think here. And by the way, this video is in no way promoting the consumption of alcohol or alcoholic beverages. All right, so it's a pretty mild beer. It's crisp, almost no aftertaste. Yeah, really smooth. There actually is a little bit of a malty flavor of an aftertaste there, but it's not bad. It's not bad. And the grapefruit is not overpowering. There is definitely a ruby red grapefruit flavor in there, and indeed it does contain ruby red grapefruit juice. So yeah, it's a Kolsch style blonde ale with natural flavors, the Genesee Ruby Red Kolsch specialty. It is normally spelled K-O-umlaut-L-S-C-H, pronounced Kolsch. I guess this is just Kolsch, but in any case, yeah, not bad. And I was a little hesitant to try it because I had to get a 12-pack in order to try it out, but it's cheap. It's only less than $12 for the 12-pack. So if you haven't tried it out, Kolsch's, they're very they're mild beers that have some maltiness. They're just a well-balanced beer that, you know, if you're taking a tour of Cologne Cathedral, wouldn't hurt as a lunch beer with your traditional German lunch. So anyway, figured I would just do a quick review of this. Shout out to Johnny Heater, and we'll see you soon here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. And don't forget to leave a comment and let us know what beers you're trying out. Maybe we'll review those coming soon. Ciao!